Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Wednesday, the 30th of January. The euro currently at 134.96 versus the US dollar looks set to reach levels last seen in November 2011. The single currency has been gaining strength as investors move away from risk aversion and seem to give Mr. Draghi the benefit of the doubt as to Europe's recovery in the second half of 2013. Growth is reflected on European stocks as earnings from the continent come out higher than expected, pushing indices such as the EURUSD to higher highs. The Australian dollar is bounced up against the US dollar, moving to 104.69 after finding support at 103.80 on Friday. The EURUSD, tracking Germany's largest listed companies, has maintained its recent growth after finding a higher low at 7,800. It's now bounced back above 7,850. Crude oil, currently at 9,754, continues its rally as investors believe its swifter recovery. Looking ahead, tonight's crude oil inventories expected at 2 million will set the pace for later trading. Now let's take a look at the currencies this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 134.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 134.60. The dollar-yen pivot points at 91 with a preference to enter in short positions at 91. The Aussie-dollar pivot points at 104.35 with a preference to enter into long positions at 104.35. The sterling-dollar pivot points at 157.05 with a preference to enter into long positions at 157.05. And the dollar-CAD pivot points at 100.45 with a preference to enter in short positions at 100.45. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 96.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 96.25. The gold pivot points at 1672 with a preference to enter in short positions at 1672. The silver pivot points at 31.45 with a preference to enter in short positions at 31.45. The US 500 is at 1490 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1490. And the UK 100 is at 6245 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6245. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In the US, we have the ADP non-farm employment change expected at 164,000. Also, the advanced GDP quarter-on-quarter forecast to rise by 1.1%. And the crude oil inventories are expected at 2.9 million. And our interesting pair today is the silver dollar. Silver, currently at 31.39, reversed its recent downward trend after testing resistance at 30.75. The precious metal has seen a surge in demand as sales of silver mint coins rushed to the highest level since 1986. The demand comes after investors turn to alternatives to the US dollar. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Jo from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.